Over the past 3 or 4 years, I've been going to Chicago Motor Cars semi-annually, right? So I go and check out their inventory, and they have some of the top-notch inventory in the country. Last year they had 3 different Gen 5 Vipers there. One was a GTSR and the other were 2 just regular GTSs. And I'm hoping this year they have a bunch of more Vipers, but we'll see. They usually have some really high-end, you know, $500,000 plus cars in there. And they're really usually nice about letting us walk through and check them out. So we'll see what they have this year. Again, this is something I do on a pretty regular basis. Even before I bought my Viper, I was posting the pictures in the Viper group, and people usually liked them a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that again. Get people in the Christmas season by looking at some amazing cars. So we just got done walking through all their inventory here at their south side location, right across the street of North Avenue. 2016 Viper. Look at that. Yeah, we're good to go. He's got another Gen 5. The carbon fiber vent with the wire taken out of it. Andrew Oswald. This is his stuff. That's his baby. And then a Gen 3. GTD1 wheels. Super clean. So let's go check out the other location. So we came across the street, and this is where they really have the big boys at. This is where the top inventory is at. I mean, this is just, again, different level of quality here. Aventador after Aventador, which is beautiful paint. This one's got some matte finish on it. 736,000 is what they're asking. Look at this thing. These things have gotten crazy. So SVJ, I don't know, I think I lost track. Maybe 4 or 5 different SVJs in this one room. It's just unbelievable. And there's this Huracan here with this gorgeous green paint. Let's see if we can try and capture that. Then another SVJ. Just beautiful paint. Let's see if we can capture this. It's nuts. And I'm always a big fan of these baby blue, sky blue colors. Looks awesome with the red accents. Center lock wheels. That looks nuts. This puppy sold. It's kind of like a matte greenish color, gray. Red center locks, green accents. It's beautiful. And another one, silver. I think it's got an aftermarket sub in there. This looks incredible. This is Teal. You guys have any Vipers here? No? Okay.
Can you see what I can't tell on the sticker. Can you see? Yeah,
You sold them all? Yeah.
Can you see what year that? It's hard to see.
67.
Oh, it is 67.
67. Yeah, this thing looks beautiful.
Aftermarket wheels. Everything looks factory except for the wheels.
This might be one of those resto mods where they do the engine and suspension and all that.
Yeah.
It looks incredible.
I like this red.
Yeah, with the gold. I was thinking that like a gold wheel on my car would look pretty cool.
Yeah.
That looks incredible, doesn't it?
What is this?
So these SVJs are like the top model.
Yeah.
And they have, I lost count, like I said, I think there's 5 or 6 in here. That's incredible inventory. Then they got the Batman Lambo. Look at this thing. We just got done with both Chicago motor cars,
Yeah.
both locations. The south side of North Avenue one, that one, it's more attainable cars, right? You know, 200,000 to maybe 300,000 most. And then the north location, they had the AMG Black Series. They had those SVJs, the STOs. They had a Porsche Carrera GT in there. I mean, just next level kind of quality cars. It was, you know, I didn't even want to like breathe on any of them. They're so expensive. So we're actually going to go down the street a little bit closer to Chicago to D&M Motorsports. They also have some really good stuff. Probably more like $100,000 to $200,000 range, but we'll see what they got. We're at D&M Motorsports. Yeah, that's kind of like the same body style, and they seem to be very low on inventory. They used to have this place completely full. So I don't know if maybe they've just been super busy, but yeah, they don't have too much. They do have a 54 Chevy. I'll show you up in the front, Corvette, which is just beautiful. All right, this is a 54 C1 Corvette. Thing is beautiful. I looked underneath it. There's not a spot of rust or anything. Full frame off restoration. Exhaust pipes coming through the bumper. Just super cool car. It's got the mesh on the headlights. It's got the white walls. I mean, if you haven't seen one of these, you got to go see one. This is unbelievable. It might just have a 6-cylinder in there. I don't think they came out with the V8 till like 57 or something. Again, maybe I'm wrong.
No, they came with V8s.
So, yeah, the interior on this thing is perfect. Look at that.